Welcome back to the channel to a latest car. This time we got another Mini Cooper S. It's a May 2017. It's a 2-litre petrol turbo model with 189 brake horsepower. It's a 6-speed manual. It is down as a Cat N due to water damage to the engine. So I will do all my normal checks as we do. We'll check the engine and repair or replace the engine, whatever's necessary. Moving on to the interior, I have checked under the carpets and under the mats, and there's no water damage at all inside the car. Although the car does need a really good clean, so we will be removing the seats and the carpets and giving the interior a full valet. Don't forget to keep an eye out for the update video on this car. If you've got any questions, you can drop me the link below, or you can contact me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. I do thank you for taking the time to watch these videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon in the next one.